Okay, guys, so today we're going to be talking about this idea of assimilation, where where two sounds become more similar to one another because they're kind of in the same environment, because they're kind of next to each other or close to each other in some way. Okay, so if we look at these two words, con permiso, right? Con space permiso. Now, when we say them separately, con permiso, we can hear that this sound is alveolar, con permiso. But when we put them all together, we say con permiso, con permiso. Now, if we notice that sound has actually become bilabial, because of the following bilabial sound. So it's kind of like this sound has got ready for it. That's the way it's kind of come out manifest, right? Okay, next one. This one's a little bit different. We'd have to say con Valeria. Now, the reason why we have to do this one in English, because in Spanish we don't have when we talk about Valeria. In Spanish, we say Valeria, which, if you notice, is actually a labial sound, like Valeria, right? But in English, we say Valeria, okay, with a labiodental. So your bottom lip goes onto your teeth. So to con somebody in English means to trick them. So con Valeria. If I do it separate, it's con Valeria. However, when we say con Valeria, for example, the plan is to con Valeria. Now, you'll notice that that sound is not alveolar. It's actually convaleria. We need to convaleria to make this plan work or whatever. All right. Okay, back to Spanish. You can notice here that we've got the schwa, which we obviously wouldn't have in Spanish, and we've got the aspiration, which we wouldn't have in Spanish. Okay. And then with this one, we've got con Natalia, right? Now, that's what we'd expect. This, the manifestation of this phoneme, is what we would expect. So con Natalia, all right? Obviously no aspiration here or here, all right? But I mean, you could say the same thing in English. You could say, we need to con Natalia. No, it's just a difference. I mean, that's not going to be affected. The things that are going to be affected are the vowels and the aspiration, all right? Then we've got this one, con ñoños. So if we say it separately, con ñoños. For example, yo vivo con ñoños. However, if we say con ñoños, now, obviously, we're not going to have two sounds here. We're not going to have one sound for the N and one for the ñ. It's going to be coñoños. So that all becomes one sound, okay? And then if we look at this one, we can have con Carlos. Now, if you feel the position of your tongue, when you say con, and then we say Carlos, con Carlos, we're not saying con Carlos, we're saying con Carlos, no? This is all the way back. It's like a vila sound, because the following sound is also vila. Okay, I hope this helps, guys.